How y'all doing? What's the name, bro?
Jordan.
Jordan? Hey, shout out to Jordan, bro, the homie with the camera, bro. Got the good fish eye.
Alright, we just won a 1952 Mercury for $2,000. Right now we are in Bentonville, Arkansas, on our way to go pick up a trailer from Jane, Missouri, and then going to head to Afton, Oklahoma to pick up this car. Yeah, I would love for you to check it out. Looks like you have some experience with them.
We definitely have quite a few of them around, that's for sure.
All right, I'll see you later.
All right.
Thanks for your help. Well, this is it.
Yeah. Okay. And he was one on brass. So, what the hell am I going to do?
Yeah. Here, go stretch forward.
All right. Okay.
Did you buy it? He did. He did. Come here, son. I'll tell you about it a little bit.
Oh, you got a little inside scoop on it? Nice.
I've had that car for probably 18 years, okay? It's got the 350 in it. It's got a Mustang rear end under it. It's got a tranny that 350 Turbo, I believe, is what we built on that. It's been built.
Right.
It's got a shift kit in it to the tune of about $1,800.
Okay.
The guy that built it was here today out of Joplin. The #1 race car driver, #1 race car transmission guy. He builds for all the race cars. Good friend of mine. That's had 3 rear ends under it. That motor has blowed up 3 rear ends, at least 2 trannies. I think this is the 3rd tranny. The motor's good in it. It's tired. It's a little tired, but it'll still go. And we've had a lot of front end's been aligned. It's got the old stock front end under it. Still on. It's got a set of headers on it, and it sounds good. It's got strong pipes on it. But the thing of it is that home and you look like a guy that can you turn the wrench?
I'll turn the wrench.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, by golly, you can fix that thing up. I would freshen the motor up a little bit, but if you're just cruising around, we got in a hurry when we put the tranny in.
Okay.
It's going to leak a little tranny fluid. It's no big thing. It's only about an 80-cent seal. We scarred the seal.
Okay.
Being fast, we wanted that thing fast. We had a car show that was going to take several vehicles in. That was one of them, and we went too fast. And when you put the tranny in too quick, sometimes that seal gets ruptured a little bit. And at least a little fluid, at least a little bit of oil from being
fluid.
An older engine.
Yeah.
But it's been a good engine for me, and I've done a lot of street racing with it, and that's all I'm going to tell you about that.
It has a 350 block in it?
It's got the 350, yeah.
So it has a Chevy engine in it?
It's got the Chevrolet engine in it.
Okay.
And it's got the big carburetor on it. And
what's the differential on it on the back? You said it had 3 rear ends put on there.
we're on a Mustang Mustang rear end under it now.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what kind of transmission is it?
It's a 350
Okay.
turbo. It's what they call a turbo 350.
Nice.
Yeah, and like I said, it's probably got 100 miles on it, and that's all.
Okay.
On the tranny, but it does leak. I will tell you straight up that we got in a hurry that day, and when we stabbed the tranny, and it's not, but it'll fire right up and it'll drive up on there and everything.
Nice.
You want to start it up?
You bet. I will. It's been setting for 2 years, and the fuel in this is the old fuel.
Okay, so the lead engine, lead fuel in there?
You can put, yes, I like lead I put additive in it.
Right.
But it's the old fuel, and it doesn't have much punking to it.
Okay.
And I would, I don't know how much fuel is in there, okay? Let me show you the shifter. You got park, reverse, neutral, drive. Okay. Park. And oh shoot, this one here might they had, let me see if the battery's up in it.
You're gonna have to jump it.
Yeah, I started it up first thing this morning. Let me
Okay.
it's only been sitting out here for 2 weeks because we brought everything. The big buildings we got here has had all the cars in it. Like I said, the engines, that transmission cost right at $1,800 to build. I hope that battery's
Got enough juice?
I hope so. This is the old school type that probably need to be replaced, and I always just put that bar right there. This is stock, too old.
So you still race this, right?
Not for 2 years, but before that. See, it looks like a grandma's car.
Oh no, it's a sleeper.
It's a sleeper. But like I said, this motor's been good, but that motor's about 15 years old.
What do you think, Mark?
I think it's badass. I like that it has the original steering wheel. I think I would try to remove this and go back to stock personally, but it looks badass. This thing is clean. Has the original steering wheel. Look, all this is all original, and he still has the original shifter on it. I mean, it only has 6,000 miles on this chassis. I don't know if those are original miles or what, but this thing is clean. It has a lot of potential, man. Looks great.
We're gonna pimp it out.
Put the speaker back in here. Put a nice speaker right there. Get these clips up. Get all the emblems shiny.
The Rat Fink.
Look at that. Got the original Rat sticker, dude. That's freaking great.
Got a cable back here. In the back right there, underneath that flag, you pull the cable, it unlocks the back.
Okay.
It's got a fuel tank, it's got what they call a fuel cell back there.
He stops right here.
No.
Okay.
You might want to put, what I would do if I was going to keep this, bud, automatic door, because the way you get in the old skull, you go through the window here, open this one here, and then you open the other ones up. It's old school stuff. I bring the old fuel out. It's 2-year-old.
Okay.
It's old fuel. Buddy, it wouldn't be hard because it's got a brand new fuel cell in the trunk.
Okay.
You know what a fuel cell is?
Yeah.
It's got a brand new one, so it won't be hard to do. Well, you just pump it out. It's easy. But like I said, this has been around for a long time. It's got a lot of Bondo in it, but it's the old school stuff. these are Riviera lights. So the real light's supposed to be up here. Like I said, it's the old school.
And all the lights work?
Oh, it did, yes. All the lights did work at one time.
They did work at one time?
Yeah, yeah. But like I was telling my boys, this is a fuel cell.
Yeah.
And take that lid out and drain all that old fuel out. And be the best thing to do. This is a vent. This is the vent for it. And but it's just it's just an old cruiser is all it is. But for what you guys got into it, not a lot of money.
Yeah, that's right.
I mean, you can have a lot of fun with this. But back in the day when this thing was built, that motor was built, it was a badass car.
Nice.
Cruiser.
How old are you?
How old am I? 35.
35? Is it a good age to just do this kind of stuff?
Hey, do you have connections for like windows and stuff for these years?
It's flat glass. Flat glass. They can cut it in any...
Oh, look at you. All right.
That's what I do. Oh, I can order in the line, pay 3 times the money.
Yeah.
If there's a glass company near you,
right. Just get
flat.
it cut.
It's
Nice.
not curved.
That makes sense.
Nickel
Good
and
looking
dime
out.
shit,
Yeah,
you
good
know?
looking out.
But
Yeah.
anyway, like I said, this is the only way to get in. And if you,
Okay.
if I was a young man like you, I put door poppers in there. Don't cost
Yeah,
much.
yeah.
And you got a deal, chip, chip, and it pops the doors open.
What was your name?
HD.
HD, Mark Longenecker.
Good luck with it.
Yes,
I
sir.
really do.
Appreciate it.
My impressions are it is a good car to get into. It's gonna take some work, but all the work that you do is gonna be well appreciated by you. You're gonna love it. So it's fantastic. Good car. Good. No power steering. Right there. Straight back. Straight back, nice and easy.
All right, one of the first things I'm gonna do is replace this car battery with the 24F 750 CCA battery. All right, I just swapped out the battery. Right now, the battery bracket is too small for this battery. So I'm just gonna leave it on there right now temporarily, but I'm just gonna wash the car today. So last night I put in a lot of mothballs into the car, put some air freshener, put some fly traps in here because there was tons of bugs. There's tons of black widows all over the car. So let's start it up right now. Set up the power washer. We're gonna get this looking right. These are Pontiac rims. now that I've done a first wash, I noticed there's like some overspray. Looks like they possibly spray painted around here, around the car. So it looks like there's some spray paint from another car. California Scents Coronado Cherry is the best smelling car freshener. I need to figure out how I could remove this bucket seat to really clean in here, but for now I'm just going to try to clean as much as I can. This is the dash. Looks like an aftermarket gauge. That's that trans shift kit that was put on. It's that Mercury logo. A lot of spiders up in here. Here's the back seat. As you can see, the car was originally white. I'm gonna keep this American flag in here. All right, I'm gonna grab some gloves for this. I'm gonna try to see if I can find a face mask too, because shit kind of looks crazy. Old cigarettes. Looks like a purse is in here. What's in here? Ooh. Looking like a lot of keys. Some money. Looks like some car memorabilia. I'm gonna take a look at this stuff. Got a newspaper from 4 years ago, 2021. Looks like you got the old original windshield wipers. We ain't getting rid of this boy. Got a crazy old blanket in here. It looks like rat shit, maybe mice shit. Get this out of here. Something in the car made me puke right now. And this is the trunk, but I need to take out the gas of here because it's pretty old, so that's going to be one of my priorities. Also got this spare donut, but it's done. Gonna get rid of that. You know, I will just get some new wheels and then I could get this over to a mechanic. All right, that wasn't as bad as I thought it would be, but for the most part it looks pretty good. I need to get some car insurance, get it registered. Got the scat pack right here. And now we got the Mercury Monterey 1952. What do you guys think I should name the car? Also, let me know what are the first like maintenance or modifications I should do. I don't want to get ahead of myself, so I want to do this correct. I want to do it right. I want to make sure that it is drivable and it's safe. People with vintage cars, let me know what do you think I should do first. I got it for $2,000. Was that a steal? Should I hold on to it? Should I keep it? See you guys in the next video, and I'll let you guys know what I do next.